The Hubsan Zino. Hi, this is Ron here. I want to talk about an issue today I discovered the other day on one of my test flights. I'm going to call it the soft focus issue. And what I'm talking about is, I'm going to run the clip here. But in the clip, you're going to see that when I have the drone on the ground and it's ready to take off, what's close by, the curb, the little tree, the grass, the blacktop, is in perfect sharp focus. But what's in the distance, a field, some trees, it's in real soft focus. It's almost like I'm, doing depth of field with like a 50 millimeter 2.0 lens. And when I take the quadcopter up in the air and I get out over the open field, like everything in distance isn't as sharp as what stuff was up close on the curb. Again, very soft focus. It's almost like it has trouble focusing at infinity. But if it's something close by, it can grab onto it and put it in sharp focus. So I don't think anything's wrong, with the lens or the camera. It's just kind of like a focusing issue. It needs to have like almost like a tap to focus or whatever. But again, it focuses on the objects, that are close in the foreground, but in distance it soft focuses. So I hope that's an issue that can be corrected in the firmware update that's coming soon. Again, I'm going to run the clip. So you can take a look at what I'm talking about, but you'll see it right away. And I've even seen it like in Andy RC's video, his first Hubsan video, where he's staying there, where he always stands by like the tree and that little like thing in the in the grass there, some kind of a meter. He was extremely sharp focused, but when he took it off and flew around, again, it was kind of like a soft focus. So. So just take a look at it. When I put the clip in, a short clip, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, the soft focus issue on long distance shots, but you'll see, real sharp image, on objects that are close by. So, I'm going to keep you updated on this if I find any more information about this or we find a solution to it. So, this is a short video. Thanks for, dropping by the channel, taking a look at it, and I'll see you in the next one.